What up, squad? Welcome back to 10 out of 10. My name is Vasquez, and if you're new here, welcome. This is a lifestyle collaborative channel with me and 9 of my girls. This episode of Thoughtful Thursdays is about lip health and self-love. Well, positive self-talk. And I wrap those two together because I think that everything starts with the lips. And since it's the new year, so I thought that, let's stick to the positive, be positive vibes for 2021, leave the negativity in the past. 2020 was a lot for everyone, so I'm sure that we all need a reset, Might I just add Glossier? The only reason I got this hoodie, Timothée Chalamet. I love you, Timothée Chalamet. I love you. Anyways, moving on. Let me just start off the video by saying your lips are unique to you and you only, because your lips actually have very unique tracks, similar to like how each of your fingerprints are different and unique to you. So your lips are yours and you should own that. So I think everyone should know this, but you should hydrate and moisturize your lips. Drink lots of water so you can always replenish your body with fluids, especially your lips. They will look kind of dry when you're dehydrated. So drink lots of water if you're drinking sugary drinks, and if you're drinking drinks that are dehydrating like coffee or teas that have like high caffeine, that'll dehydrate you. So drink lots of water to replenish your body, and that'll make your lips look a little bit more lively. Also, protect your lips. Protect your lips from the sun. Yes, you can get sunburn on your lips. It's happened to me and it's not fun. It feels like there's like a film over my lip and it feels like not your lips. It doesn't feel like the natural texture it should be. This one is Sun Soleil by Nivea and it has SPF 30. Let's put this on. So yeah, honestly, on a regular basis, if I'm at home, I just use Vaseline. It's just the go-to. So let's recap what we know so far. Your lips are unique to you. You need to hydrate them all the time, drink lots of water, protect your lips and moisturize often. And the last thing I wanna say is exfoliate. Just like you would for your face and body, you should also exfoliate your lips. And I will show you guys a very easy lip scrub DIY. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys the lip scrub, a DIY that I was talking about earlier. So let's get the ingredients. Raw sugar, white sugar, and 100% virgin coconut oil. Cool. So, got a bowl. Any bowl will do, doesn't matter. I like to start off with the coconut oil, like 1 tablespoon. Then I'm going to heat this up in the microwave for about 10 seconds. So now it is out of the microwave. Well, now I'm just gonna mix it. Mix that up. Then I would get the raw sugar. The raw sugar is a little bit more coarse, so I use about 2 tablespoons. Then you mix it. So I think that that's fine, just as is, but I like to put white sugar with it just because it's a finer type of consistency, so that there's like a mix. So this has coconut oil on it. I'll get a new spoon. 3 tablespoons of the white sugar. This is 1, 2, and a half. So now it looks like kind of like wet sand. Once you get like this consistency, I feel like you can stop, or you can add a little bit more. So I said 3, just put a little, half, put a little bit. You can't go wrong with this, honestly. It's only 3 ingredients, so now it's a little less runny, so I like this consistency. I'm gonna stop there. So you can use this on your lips. You just grab a little bit on your finger and then just like go in circular motions and then just wipe it off. Please don't eat it. So I have my notes here on some interesting facts about lips. So let's just do rapid fire facts about lips. Okay, 1. Lips are 100 times more sensitive than your fingertips. The skin on your lips is much different than the skin on your body because it's thinner and has less layers, so it makes it more delicate. Can you whistle? The ability to do so is related to the muscle above the upper lip. It's called the orbicularis oris. I hope I pronounced that right. Our lips lose their plumpness over time. This is due to the collagen production decreasing as you age. Your lips don't sweat, and they also don't produce their own protective oils, and your lips only produce a small quantity of melanin, making them more sensitive to UV rays. This is why we use SPFs in our lip moisturizers. Our lips are red due to the blood vessels in our lips. Your lips can also tell when you're a little bit cold because they turn a little bluish or purplish, but not too blue and not too purple, because that's not normal. You should see a doctor about that because you're lacking a lot of oxygen. Okay, moving on from your lip health, we're gonna talk about positive self-talk, because just like your physical health, your mental health is just as important. So what you say during the day, through your mouth or in your mind, it's just as important as your physical health. Positive self-talk tips from me to you. So number 1, speak kindly to yourself, especially in the mirror. I love you, girl. You're doing great. You're the best. Don't just ignore yourself when you see yourself in the mirror. Just hype yourself up. Just be like, hey, I'm cute. Hey, how you doing, girl? Number 2, if you catch yourself speaking negatively or thinking negative thoughts, just remember to catch that and tell yourself, no. You're like, ooh, I'm poop. No, you're not poop. Just say no. Just say no. Just say no to that negative person in your mind, because you deserve positivity. Yes, you deserve positivity, and sometimes you are your worst critic. So if you catch yourself saying these things or thinking these things, just say no. Just don't accept it. Got it, girl. They all kind of go hand in hand. But number 3, what you say to your bestie, you should say to yourself, because you are your bestie, okay? When you see yourself in the mirror, be like, that's my girl, that's me, hype her up, hype her up, hype her up, because that's your bestie. So what you say to your bestie, you should say to yourself too. Number 4, I can't say this enough, drink water. Drink water. It's not only good for your brain, it's good for the rest of your body. It's good for everything. Number 5, there are actually a lot of health benefits that come with positive self-talk. This is a website that I'm looking at. They have a list here, so let me just read them off, because I ain't no scientist, no doctor, so I'll just read it from the website, okay? Increased vitality, greater life satisfaction, improved immune function, reduced pain, better cardiovascular health, better physical well-being, reduced risk of death, and less stress and distress. So these are a lot of things that can help with positive self-talk. It will only benefit you. I feel like that's the main thing. I feel like positive self-talk, there's only positive things that come out of it. Number 6, I'm just gonna say this tip because it's very helpful to me. Don't overthink. Give people the benefit of the doubt. This is very important to me because I just create these scenarios for myself that might not even be true. Don't put words in other people's mouth and give them the benefit of the doubt. So overall, don't overthink. Tip number 7. It's the last one that I have here, but I'm sure there are more. But number 7 for me is, if you need a positive mantra, do that. Mine is, I'm a bad bruh. Just say, I am a bad bruh. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. And if you feel silly doing it, laughing can create a lot of positive vibes. So if you feel silly doing it, whatever, the more you do it, the easier it will be. So the more positivity that you put out, the more positivity you will get in return. And I'm sure of this, that ain't no witchcraft stuff, okay? I'm literally saying that. The more positive things you say and put out there, the more positive things that will come into your life. Let me just share with you my lip products that I have, because I don't know, let's just end off with that. I kind of did this already, but sorry, this video is a little everywhere, but Vaseline. Number 1 product. Let me just say, anytime I'm at home, there's one in every bathroom, one in every bedroom, literally one in the kitchen. This one was from the kitchen, so just, yeah. Burt's Bees are pretty cool. This one's not open, but it's the vanilla bean one. I'm using the berry one, which has the red cap. That one's in my car. And this is a peppermint one that I have. I really like this one. It's my favorite. It's a peppermint lip balm. I don't know where it's from. It's literally from my sister-in-law's bachelorette. It says, no time for siesta, it's Mars Bacheloretta Fiesta 2019. Don't at me. I know I've had this for way too long, but I love it. So I kind of use it sparingly. Put it in my bag. It's a peppermint one. Peppermint is my favorite. I like mint chocolate ice cream. Don't even at me if you don't like it. Keep that to yourself. This is not a lip balm. This is a lipstick. I have this agave one. It's the agave. It just says agave, but it's from Bite. But yeah, the agave one is pretty good. It's very moisturizing. I was gonna say it feels like honey on your lips, but it's agave. It feels like agave on your lips. And this one I just got. It's like a sample size of the Laneige sleeping mask for your lips. I kind of like this smaller one because it's like tinier. And then this one I just got from Christmas, and it's the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. It's the gummy bear one. It smells just like gummy bears. It's so good. I like this one, the Laneige Gummy Bear Lip Balm. So I got this last year. I got this in Vancouver because like the skin around my nose and my lips were kind of really dry when I was there. So I got this from the Abnormal Beauty Company, the Ordinary's store there, and it's the Baobab ointment, lip and skin ointment, and it has no scent, which I liked. So you can put this on dry areas or just on your lips. And also another recommendation is from Momo. She says she has the tinted lip balm from Innisfree. She says she really likes that, so thank you, Momo, for that recommendation. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this positive self-talk lip health video from me. If you guys have topics that you want me to talk about in future videos for Thoughtful Thursdays, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you have other recommendations for lip balms or lip health products, please put them down in the comment section down below. And also positive self-talk. If you have tips, put them down below. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and share this video wherever you can, and especially follow us on Instagram at 10.out of10. Alright, it's been cool chilling with y'all, talking about healthcare and positive self-talk. Remember that you are a queen and you got this, honey. See you guys next time. Bye!